If you'd like to see how I got my natural 4C hair into this puff and added some cute little accentuating pieces, stay tuned for the next part of the video.
You don't gotta worry about me. You made it clear that you're unhappy, yeah.
Hi, my name is Brittney. Thank you for tuning into my video today. Enjoy. Guys, so I decided to make this a voiceover. You're gonna see me talking, but I thought I sounded funny and decided I'm gonna record over myself. But nonetheless, we're gonna get into the tutorial. So first thing, you're gonna need some Eco Styler, an oil of your choice, a bandana or scarf to tie your edges down, an edge brush that I got from my local beauty supply. And since my natural hair is a little bit on the coarse side and doesn't like to stay down, I use some free spray, a hard brush, and that's all you need. You see this face I'm making? It's because these struggle bust twists. I hate them. But you're gonna grab some oil. Put the oil on your hands and just, not a lot, not too much. You don't want oily hair. But you're gonna put some on your hands and you're just gonna let the oil help you untwist your hair without snagging your hair or causing any further damage to your hair. And just untwist, untwist, untwist. Yes. And just run your oil-filled hands through your hair and get some oil on that hair. Get it moisturized without adding any wetness that might cause any shrinkage, because shrinkage is our enemy right now with this puff. We want elongation. So what is elongation? But anyways, you'll take Eco Styler on your hands, and in an upward motion, you're gonna go around the perimeter of your hair. And then you're going to take your hard brush in that same motion and you're just smoothing up the hair, getting it prepared to go into the puff. Grab some more Eco Styler. Eco Styler is basically your preference. You're going to then take this string or shoelace or hair tie, whatever you use. I just use a string. And you're going to take it behind your head, over your ears. Bring the strings to the front. Cross them over one another, pushing them. While you're pushing them up, tighten them and bring them around the back. Then cross them over again and then tighten. As you're tightening, the hair will slowly go into a puff. And once you see the desired height for your puff, you just stop. Cross them again around the front and then tuck the leftover pieces up into the hair, away and out of sight. And now I'm just messing with my hair to get it to look how I want it, but essentially we have a puff, and if you wanted to stop here, you ultimately could. But we're just gonna add a little bit more volume by taking a wide tooth comb and just picking our hair. I'm probably the only natural that doesn't own a pick, but this wide tooth comb gets the job done. Then we take our edge brush with a little bit of Eco Styler and start doing these edges. Now, swoop, swoop, and swoop. I don't really know how to do my edges, y'all, but we're gonna finesse it today. And essentially, you're just taking Eco Styler on the edge brush and bringing your baby hairs forward and swooping them back, using your finger as a guide. You see how I'm struggling on this side? Does everyone else have a side where they struggle more on with their edges, or is it just like my left side happens to be the side I struggle on? My right side, I can kind of finesse it, but my left side is just like, Lord Jesus. Then we take some free spray for some added strength and use my fingers to then swoop it back. Look at this slow-mo. I was feeling myself, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, sis. Yes, sis. And then we take our bandana, wrap it around our edges, and essentially just let this bandana sit on your head until you feel like your edges are dry, or basically till you're about to leave. I usually wait till I'm about to leave to take my scarf off, because what's the point? And that is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to see how I added some coils on it. Look at that. Look at this hair. Look at this puff. Y'all know y'all like it. Y'all know y'all like it. I'm back. So yeah, I did finish my hair, putting my hair into a puff, but I didn't show y'all how I do these little side things and sometimes a back one. So I did my sides already. Ooh, Jesus. I did my sides already, but this is how I do my back ones. You see, there are little coils, but these are how I do my back ones. So you take some Eco Styler again on your finger, and then you just coat the piece until it's wet. See how it's wet? And then you twist it around your finger. Help it curl back up. I have slight heat damage in the back of my hair, so it's kind of hard sometimes to get the coil. Sometimes you leave a little bit more at the root. And I'll also show you on this side.
I just pulled it out of the side of my hair. Coating it. And see where I don't have heat damage, there's a little bit in here. Just create these nice little coils. Add a little bit to your hair.
And that is how I get my natural 4C hair into a puff. Thank you for tuning into my video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. I hope you'd be willing to join my new family that I'm trying to start on YouTube by subscribing. Like if you want to see more hair videos, and comment down below other hair videos you would like to see. Follow me on social media. It'll be linked down in the description box below. Thank you once again for tuning in, and I hope you have a nice day. Stay beautiful.
You don't gotta worry.